Alright, nandito na tayo ngayon sa town. Grabe, ang lamig. Sarado po yung mga shop. Nako, tsaka kakaunti yung tao. Wala pa masyadong tao. Hindi yata tayo makakapagtanong. Bagay, maghihintay tayo dito ng iba, mga daraan. Kung ano. So, ang lamig. Ayan o, ito o. Ayan, nakabike lang tayo. Hi, excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Nice.
Yeah, because I have a friend, those three of my friends, so my friend asking me Gago! It's only for fun. I'm filming right now. I'm YouTuber, so only this is because I have three friends from the Philippines, so they want to choose who is the handsome. Can you pick one?
What?
You
need a picture from yourself.
No. This just because I have three friends,
yeah.
And then it's only for fun. They want to choose from the random people around who is the handsome. Can you pick one at least? Who can you choose? Who? For you think? Yeah, do you think who?
This one.
On the center?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kan niet voor mij hoor.
Thank you. Okay, 1-0 Nabi. Oh, nakachamba tayo, 1-0. Oh, yan oh. Hirap. Oh, 1-0 ka tol. 1-0. Tangay na at yung English ko ah. Hindi ko na practice ah. Mamaya puntahan natin yung ano doon, yung isang pwesto doon na parang tower. Yun sa dulo. Sarado pa yung mga shop dito. Pag nakita tayo ng girl. Tara, wala ditong tao. Doon tayo pupunta sa may town.
Bodies intertwined. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so.
Excuse me, can I ask you something? Yeah, because I have 3 friends here. So actually this is my this is my friend. Just wait. It's only for fun, so they want to choose those of 3 who is the handsome. Can you pick for at least one for you?
For mine?
I mean for your choice, who is what you think who is handsome of those of 3. This is only for fun. I'm filming right now, and this is from my YouTube. Just what do you think who is the handsome of those 3? At least. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Only no problem. I'll raise it. Oh, the center, yeah? Okay, thank you. Okay, si Nams ang nanalo. Oh my god, sarado lahat ng shop pala. Alauna pang bukas. Ito lang ang nag-iisang shop dito na bukas. So wala tayong magagawa, back to ship tayo. At least nakapagtanong tayo ng 2. Try natin magtanong pa ng isa. Naku, hindi talaga kaya ang lamig. Tarado pa ang mga shop. Alauna, anong oras pa lang? Mag 9:30 pa lang. Next time na lang pag ano na, pag maganda ang panahon, takin na, masama ang panahon, uwi na ako. May nadaanan tayo dito, ano? Isang nung sinaunang panahon yung mga Vikings dito na nasakay sa pinaka-parko nila. Ayan, oh. Malaki din shop, talagang kahoy. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga bakod na pakita ko. Ayan, ah. Hi! Lumabas ngayon kami ni Mayor, chief cook namin sa barko. Ayan, oh. Lumabas kami, but this time paggabi na, mag-alas 5 na. Alas 5 na pala. Naulan-ulan pa. Pupunta lang kami dun sa pub bar, yun, yung mga inuman. Pero kailangan hindi malaman ni Bossing. Gabi na. Gabi na. Alas 5. Ito na yung part 2 ng labas ko. May kasama na ngayon ako. Part 2, pangalawang labas ko. Kita nyo, madilim na, oh. Madilim na siya. Hanap tayo ngayon dun, mga tatagayan. Tangin na natagpuan natin ang coffee shop.
Anong gera? Kailangan mo yung armas mo. Pang-vlog.
Oh, ito. Meron pala dyan sa taas, no? Okay, this is third time, yeah. Ayan, this is Sona. Can you say hello?
Hello.
And then, now, I wanna you choose. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Gago!
Oh, sorry. I wanna choose you that who is handsome of those of three for you, like ideal boyfriend. Yeah. Okay, if that for example, I will edit for a reason. This because this is only for fun. So I mean, who is a little bit cute or something.
I don't know because I can't see.
Oh, okay. That
I think he is the nicest.
the nice one. Really?
It's the nice one.
Okay. That is the best. Actually, you complete my vlog today. Damn! This is the last one. That is the best. Yeah, that is the story. Actually, I asked the three girls on the outside, and then they choose of the center one. This guy,
Oh, really?
and just you only pick that one.
Yeah, I think he has the nicest face.
What?
Like he looks the sweetest.
You-
like,
oh, yeah.
He looks like he's really warm.
Yeah.
Like he's very warm. He looks a bit angry, and he looks nice.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh.
He smiles and he looks nice. I like people who smile.
Okay.
Sa amin ay tambay.
Tanggal naman ang stress na ano. Sarap naman. Sarap yung part 2. Tangin na bagsa tapos naginom ka sa bar. May magandang bartender.
Kaya mo, Norte. Kagalang-galang ka. Para kasi niya, mamaya, namin, tatlo ba? Tatlo kami naakay sa'yo.
I'm a YouTuber and are you really? Okay.
I'm a YouTuber actually. So give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby.
Gago!
So successful ngayong gabi. Barkada masaya, lahat goods. Masaya ang tambay doon. Iba-ibang lahi. So ngayon, back to ship. Duty ko na actually. 12, professional. On my duty. Ganun lang. Enjoy lang sa paglabas. At pagbalik sa barko, professional na ulit. Ganun lang. So dito na nagtatas ang vlog natin. See you in my next